How do you calculate the length of a circular arc? You calculate the length of a circular arc using the formula S equals 2 pi r times alpha over 360 degrees, where S is the length of the arc, r is the radius, and alpha is the central angle. A circular arc is a part of the circumference of a circle. You can mark the start point and end point of the arc like this. Every arc has a corresponding angle called the central angle. Let's name that angle alpha. Alpha is the angle formed by the two line segments drawn from the center to each of the two endpoints of the arc. Note that each of these segments is a radius of the circle. Let's take a closer look at the formula. S equals 2 pi r times alpha over 360 degrees. The factor 2 pi r is the circumference of the complete circle. The factor alpha over 360 degrees is the fractional part of the circle which the arc covers. If alpha equals 90 degrees, the arc makes up 1/4 or 1/4 of a circle, because 90 divided by 360 equals 1/4. If alpha equals 180 degrees, the arc makes up half a circle, or a semicircle, because 180 divided by 360 equals 1/2. If alpha equals 360 degrees, the arc makes up the whole circle, because 360 degrees divided by 360 degrees equals 1. In this case, the length of the arc, S, equals the circumference, C, of the circle. Now, let's see what happens if you increase the radius of the circle. The arc length increases too. The formula also tells you this. As the radius r increases, so does the length of the arc. This is also the case if you increase the size of the central angle. The arc length, S, increases as the central angle, alpha, increases. So, we are now ready to take a look at a circle with radius equal to 8. What is the length of the arc when the central angle equals 30 degrees? First, insert 3.14 for pi, 8 for r, and 30 degrees for alpha in the formula. Then, compute the numbers with a calculator. You will find that the length of the arc equals about 4.19. You calculate the length of a circular arc using the formula S equals 2 pi r times alpha over 360 degrees, where S is the length of the arc, r is the radius, and alpha is the central angle.